My name is Andrew Anderson. I own the company Anderson Logging, LLC out of Broken Bow, Oklahoma. We primarily work pine unless we get to where quotas come, and we'll move to hardwood occasionally. And so Southeast Oklahoma is real diverse and has lots of timber, and it's kind of like a diamond in the rough to me because of where it is. I wouldn't want to live anywhere else. My dad lived in the mountains, which is about 30 miles north of Broken Bow. My grandpa run cattle, and then my dad run cattle. I'd eventually thought, I'm going to become a cattle farmer. Well, timber companies own 80% of the land here, so there's not any pasture land available. So then you sell out, and it's like, well, what do I do now? So I just decided that, working in the woods is what I wanted to do. There's something about doing big logs that it gets you going. It's that competitive nature, trying to move more and more and more. So I talked to my father-in-law, and he's like, yeah, he said, I think I can find you some used equipment and help you get started. I had a 748H skidder, and then I bought a 648H skidder, and then they were both good skidders, and I really liked them. Then when the L series come out, Yellow House come in, they bought out the old John Deere dealer here. Once I did see that they were going to try to take care of the customer, I was like, man, these guys are serious business. And so I talked to my sales rep, and I was like, I'd like to try one of your skidders out. I mean, it is the nicest piece of equipment I've ever been on. It's probably getting close to 3,000 hours, and it has not been to the shop one time, just done minor maintenance. Since then, I've bought two 843Ls, and I've got 3 L series now, and I've only had 2 hoses blow on 3 machines in 2 years. A couple sensors. It's awesome. I mean, it really is. Buying the new equipment has really saved me more money, and it's enabled me to grow a lot more. John Deere really helps me be efficient because when I first got started, I was trying to start with used equipment with lower payments, but I was finding that was actually higher payments because I was paying parts bills here and mechanic bills here. So I was like, let's have this new equipment, let's have a set payment every month, and let's know that we're going to be efficient because it's new, the payment's this, it's under warranty, and then on top of that, you think, well, if it does break down, it's covered. I want to be efficient and see myself making every move count, making everything work, and having a plan for every step of the way, and just trying to make everything work the best that we can.